Alright guys, here's my webcam set up for the CNC machine. I got my gimbals, or camera gimbals, all done, or whatever you want to call them. And then I put these little windows on them, splash guards. And I 3D printed most things so everything's the same color. And I put these strips of metal, and the 3D printed thing has a bunch of magnets on the back, but those magnets weren't good enough. They weren't enough to hold the weight, so I just used these little clips on both of them. And yeah, because the magnets weren't good enough. I thought it'd be good enough, but nope. And so yeah, so all I have to do now, I've got all the programming wrote. I showed you guys it all moving up, down, left, right from my program. All I gotta do is I need to snip these wires for the motors and make them longer. So I gotta stretch the wires longer and figure out how I'm going to run the wiring. Probably behind this sheet here. So that's all that's left to do is the wiring. And then I've got to find a place to hide the little control box. But everything else is working. I demonstrated that in the last video. So yeah, I got my dual camera set up, and if we look, that's what it's actually viewing from the cameras. So yeah, it's working out pretty good. Got everything the way I wanted so far. I mean, I had to overcome a few problems, but yeah, this is working out pretty good. And the distance away from what it's looking at is just about right for these cameras. I mean, it shows up nice and clear. It's not I was worried that it'd be too close to what it's looking at or too far, because there's no zoom or pan out or anything on these webcams. They're just simple webcams. But no, the pictures come out really nice. I mean, it's a nice distance away from what you're looking at. So yeah, I'll just finish up, extend these wires, and find a place to hide the control board, and find a way to hide these webcam wires, and it's good to go. It's working out pretty good. Later.